All right, let's do some skewb example solves from someone who kind of knows what he's talking about. So I average around sub 4, maybe 3.5 on skewb, so a bit of insight into my solves. This scramble, I would go for a white layer, probably. Yep, okay, so you could do, like, move this one up. So you could do, move like 1, put that one in, and then you've got this sort of case down here, which I finger trick like this, so that. Okay, now you're just left with the 2 sledges. So you sledge here, hedge there. Cool. Next scramble. All right. Here I would go for, let's have a look. Maybe yellow. Yeah, let's do yellow. Okay, so I'll start off by solving these 2 pieces. So that one goes to there, and then you can do like this sort of thing, 1, 2, 3. And then you have this one's back here, which you bring this one back down, and then insert. Okay, and then from here, I would just sledge, and you can predict where the U-perm is going to be. It's going to be here, and you'll rotate here to do it. So you'll go there, rotate, U-perm there. All right, next scramble. All right, well, this one has a nice white layer. You could also possibly do, no, you wouldn't want to do red, hey. Now you go white. Okay, so you'd go move this one in with 1 move. That one comes down like that, and then just insert like this. Now you're left with this sort of twisted Z-perm plus peanut case. I would sledge, hedge, and you get a U-perm. That's just, I don't know if that's an intermediate or advanced solution, but that's just what I would do. Okay, white and blue look good. White looks better. Blue, yeah, white looks better. Okay, so you do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you set up to this peanut plus U-perm, like that. This is a bit waffly, but hopefully there might be one solve in here that's a bit more instructive. Okay, let's have a look at red here, maybe. Yeah, so you could do, or actually maybe orange. Yeah, orange is kind of cool, I think. Yeah, so orange should go like pull, and then you can insert that corner. But when you insert this corner, if you notice that you already sort of set up that it looks like a pie sort of pattern with this sort of block here, and the corners just sort of arranged as they are, when you insert it, you can actually sort of cancel into it. So you like, normally you'd do like that and then put it in. But this time you could go like this, and then that skips the pie, and then you just get a U-perm. Yeah, and that's something I would do in a solve. Okay. Scramble, I would maybe go green. So you put this corner in first. So 2 moves like that. And then you're left with this sort of case down here. And then you've got a couple options. So, but the most finger trick friendly from here, I think you just go 1, bring this one over, and then sledge. And it's a similar thing. Actually, no, it's not. Can't cancel into pie. And this is just pie into Z-perm. I don't actually know the alg. Okay. This one, you would maybe go with, yeah, red. Okay, so it's 1 move to put this corner in, like that. And then these ones are over here, which is just a nice little trigger. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4 mover. And then you've got a peanut plus, you've got 1 op here. So you just want to avoid, Z-perms. So just make sure when you're doing it, you sledge away from that opposite center. That's the way I would think about it. Okay. Here I would do, oh, this is not that nice. Maybe you could insert this corner down here, that one down there, and then you have this twisted case, like that. And then you can sledge, and you get U-perm. What about this one? Okay. You'd go blue here. So you do 1 move, and you set up to this sort of 2 corners facing bottom case. So there's a couple ways you can finger trick this one. Maybe 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, cancel into the pie. Again, similar trick as I did before. And then just left with the U-perm. So it's sort of like a orienting both layers at once. Oh, we got a no bar scramble. Okay, let's have a good look. So the way I sort of approach these is I look for one move bars that would also set up a good sort of trigger. So one I can see here is possibly on yellow. So if I, well, this isn't like a one move bar. It's like I can see this corner and this corner. Like that's what I'm looking at sort of thing here. 1, 2, 3. And I can, when I do that, I notice that this case is what's going to pop up. So that's what I'd go for here probably. So I'd go 1, 2, 3. And then over here you rotate and you go 1, 2, 3. And then you've got an L5C. This one I would just do like this. So it's just 4 sledges, 2 and 2 UPEM. Okay. Here, yeah, okay, so this is a 3 move orange layer, so you insert this corner, you set up this case. And then this is an NS alg, so it's pi plus peanut, so you hold it from here and you want to take out this corner, like that, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, and then you rotate over here, sledge, hedge, and then just insert that corner there. It's like one of the few NS cases I know. This one, okay, I would do blue. I see these 3 corners in, you've got a bar here. So the way I would execute this is you want to solve this one and this one at the same time, and then that will set this one up over here to a 1 mover. So I would do like 1, 2, 3, 4, sets this one up to a 1 mover there. Now you've got one of these cases, just make sure when you do it, you either do the sledge or hedge correctly. So here you notice if you sledge, you'll get peanut solve plus like solved centers, which is not very good. So just it's just sort of a case of memorizing when you've got this like sort of pattern here where you've got like these 2 need to swap and these 2 will swap, that you'll hedge and then you get double sledge over there. Executed horrendously though. Let's do maybe 3 more. So third last one. Okay, so all right, this one's a cool case. So you'd insert this yellow corner here in 1 move, that, and then you have this 3 mover here. So the way this one's done is 1, 2, 3. Oh, just into sledge. Beautiful. That would be a very nice scramble to get in comp. All right, second last one. Okay, so I'd maybe do a 4 move layer on yellow, I think. Unless I'm missing something. I think that's what I'd go for. So you insert this corner into here, and then that's going to make this one a 1 mover down here. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have this case here. So rotate, and I think this one's, yeah, like that. So it's like a Z-perm cancellation for that NS. And the last scramble. Okay, hopefully we can get something interesting. Okay, so this is a 4 move, I think, green layer. So you'd start off by solving this corner into here, and it's going to set these 2 corners up. So 1, 2, 3. Well, actually, yeah, 1, 2, and then it sets these corners up 3, 4. And then here, well, you're going to get a triple sledge. You can tell this center is going to go over here, which will make it solved. This one will come over here, so you're going to have to rotate back here to start your UPEM. So sledge, rotate back here, and then your UPEM. Cool, and that is some example skewb solves from someone who kind of knows what they're doing.